my dear student. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to study with me, kids?
Ready, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, today we will learn material about greeting and leave taking. Please attention me.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the first we will learn about greeting. Here, who knows what greetings means?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain. Greeting is an expression used to greet someone. In some sentence, greeting is said based on certain times. There are four kinds of greeting that we say in English. There are four times, namely morning, afternoon, evening, night, and when going to sleep. The first we have good morning. Good morning artinya iya, selamat pagi. We say good morning to our friend when we see the sunrise. Usually it start from 5 until 12 p.m. The second, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon artinya selamat siang atau selamat sore. We say good afternoon to our friend when the sun is up until it is going to set. Usually it start around 12 until 6 p.m. The third is good evening. Good evening artinya selamat malam. We say good evening to our friend when we cannot see the sun or it is getting dark. It is happen usually around 6 until 9 p.m. Last, we have good night. Good night artinya iya betul, selamat tidur. We have and we say good night to our friend when it is 9 p.m. above. Usually we say this to our friend or our family before go to sleep. It has different meaning with good evening. Well, kids, there are another example of greeting. They are good morning, good afternoon, etc. Hello or hi. How are you? How is everything with you? How are things? How's life? How is it is going? And etc.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to ask.
Okay.
How do we answer greetings in English?
Alright, here we go. Pay attention again. When someone says good morning to us, we respond good morning. Jadi, ketika seseorang berkata good morning kepada kita, kita menjawabnya good morning. Begitu dan seterusnya. Ungkapannya good morning, untuk responnya juga good morning. Jika ungkapannya hello or hi, responnya juga hello or hi. Sedangkan how are you, untuk responnya fine, thanks. How is everything with you? Responnya I'm very well, thank you. How are things? Responnya not too bad. Untuk how is life? Responnya pretty well, thanks. Sedangkan how it is going? Responnya great or I'm good or not really good. Begitu seterusnya ya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ya, untuk selanjutnya, the situation is greeting consists of two parts, namely formal and informal. Contoh yang formal ada hello, untuk responnya juga hello, good morning, respon juga good morning. Dan seperti yang tadi ya, lalu ada hello, how are you? Itu artinya halo, bagaimana kabarmu? Untuk responnya I'm fine, thank you. Artinya aku baik-baik saja, terima kasih. How are you doing? Apa kabarmu? Untuk responnya I'm very well, thank you. Dan how do you do? Itu kalimat sapaan jika kita belum pernah bertemu seseorang itu sebelumnya. Untuk responnya juga how do you do? Bisa jadi nice to meet you, senang bertemu denganmu. Untuk responnya nice to meet you too. Okay, the next is example of informal greeting. Jadi untuk yang informalnya kita ada hi, untuk responnya juga hi, what's up? Nah, itu apa kabar? Untuk responnya juga just fine, thanks. Baik-baik saja, terima kasih. What's news? Apa yang baru? How's everything? Bagaimana semuanya? How's it going? How's your business? Good to see you. Begitu. Untuk responnya itu bermacam-macam ya. Ada yang not too bad, tidak terlalu buruk, thanks, great, pretty well, what's about you? Ini jika bertanya kepada lawan mainnya kembali ya. Artinya sangat baik, bagaimana denganmu? Untuk selanjutnya juga good to see you too, senang bertemu denganmu juga.
Oh, like that, ma'am.
Tadi kita telah mempelajari tentang salam dalam bahasa Inggris. Sekarang kita akan mempelajari tentang ucapan selamat tinggal dalam bahasa Inggris ya, atau biasa disebut dengan leave taking. There are many ways to say goodbye to our friend. Contohnya, goodbye artinya selamat tinggal, bye-bye or bye. See you, sampai jumpa. See you later, sampai jumpa nanti. And see you tomorrow, sampai jumpa besok. Pilih salah satu ya.
Ma'am, I want to ask, are there any other examples of the expression goodbye?
Iya, tentu ada. Untuk yang leave takingnya ada see you later seperti tadi, see you tomorrow, goodbye, bye, good night. Good night itu diucapkan ketika akan pergi tidur ya, jadi malam hari. Lalu sorry, I have to go now, I'll take to you later, and take care. Untuk responnya ada see you, bye, so long, take care, good night. Untuk yang good night tadi juga good night ya. Lalu keep in touch and okay, thanks. Begitu.
Oke, sekarang let's start practice with me ya tentang greeting and leave taking. Nah, di sini saya sebagai Diana dan semua murid menjadi Mary, oke? Oke, ma'am.
Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, Diana.
How are you?
I'm fine today. Thank you. And how about you, Diana?
Just so. By the way, where are you going, Mary?
I want to go home. And you? Where are you going now?
I wanna go home too, but I have to wait for my sister first.
Where are your sister now?
She is buying something in the market over there.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry. I must go now, Diana.
It's alright. Goodbye. See you soon.